We are going to turn on 4 LEDs using the binary numbers of 0 to 16. If you don't know what that means, I'm going to put the chart, but so number 0 is represented in binary form by 000. The number 1 is represented in binary form by 001. The number 16 is represented in binary form by 111. So we are going to turn on the LED according to that binary system. So when it's at 0, all the 4 LEDs are going to be off. When it's at 1, 3 LEDs are going to be off and 1 is going to be on. How are we going to do this? In your Arduino, you're going to specify your variables. That's yellow LED, red LED, blue LED, and green LED. These numbers beside it are the pin numbers where the LED is going to be connected to. I will make some changes to these numbers at the end because I'm just guesstimating. I've not even made circuits. This and that are holding the value of delay. That means how long do I want to delay the LED? That's how long do I want to delay the LED? I'm delaying the LED by 10. Sometimes I'll delay by 500, depending on whether I'm delaying in between. You see it in the program. In void setup, I'm going to set all the pins output because output just means I want him to pass out voltage. I want my Arduino to pass out voltage. So I'm telling the Arduino to this pin number pass out voltage. So it's going to make its output, which will turn on the LED or turn off the LED. And in void, this is where I'm going to tell the Arduino exactly how I want it to turn on the LED or turn off the LED. When I want it to pass out current or take in current, this is where I'm going to tell the Arduino where to put out. So in void loop, the first thing you're going to say is digital write red LED. Digital write is writing something to pin 8. That's the red LED is 8. So I'm telling the Arduino to write a low to pin 8, and a low in electronics just means 0. If I say high, it means high. If I say high, it means 5. So I'm telling it to pass out a low to the LED. As you can see now, I have to do this 16 times. So digital write red LED, digital write blue LED. This is turning it off. Low means 000. Low high means 001. As you can see, 001 high. That's 001. 000. Then when I'm doing 010, low high low. When I'm doing 0011, low high. This is 3 in decimal. This is 001 in binary. 010. Low, high, low. You will do this all up to 16. So I copied and pasted this 16 times before I went back to edit it, and I'm commenting the numbers. I'm editing it to beside it. 010, 011. So only one will be off. The rest is supposed to be on. Okay, 0110. 2 will be off. Low, high, low. The next one, 011. So all 3 will be on, 1 will be off. Blue LED high, yellow LED high, green LED high. 100. 1 will be on, that's high, the rest will be off. 101. High, low, high. I hope you can see the pattern by now. 1010. High, low, low. The next one, 1011. High, low, high. In your Proteus, this is where I'm going to simulate. You can also simulate with Tinker card. What you will need for this simulation, for this circuit, I'm going to give you the circuit design. Arduino, Uno, a LED. You need the 4 LEDs. That's yellow LED, blue LED, green LED. You also need resistor, and you will need power, a power source. You're going to arrange it as I'm going to show you. So you first bring out the 4 LEDs. Connect them to the resistor. The resistor is going to be 330 ohms. Make sure you connect it properly. I made a mistake. Then you connect the cathode ground, and then you connect the anode according to how you specified it in the Arduino code. This is where I make some changes. You can pay attention, or you can pick the pins you want. In simulation, it doesn't really matter. But when you're doing the project physically, you want to make sure that you're using digital pins and not clock pins. When it goes back, I'm going to show you the clock pins. The clock pins have a tilde sign. Those white signs you see are tilde. Those are clock pins. In real projects, you don't want to connect your LEDs to those pins. You want to connect it to the digital pins. If not, you might have error. So I'm making some changes according to that. Or you can pick any pin in Proteus or anything you're using. But when you're building it physically, make sure you don't pick pins with a tilde sign. Those pins are clock pins. You want to pick the ones that are digital pins. These pins here that have A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, they are called analog pins. These ones, you won't use it today because you're using digital rights, remember? Then you right click, go to source code and paste your code there. I changed pins here according to, I made sure the pins I connected my LED to in the physical project is the same as one I connected to in the code. So my code, red net is going to be 8 here to make sure it corrects that. I set my voltage to 15 volts so that I can power the 4 LED. As you can see, I made corrections, so make sure you make your corrections. So when you press the play button, which you will see, it will take a little while. And while it's going to start running, cross-check the circuit, you can screenshot it, make sure you drop a like button and subscribe. As you can see, 0011, 0100, 0101, 0110, 0110, 0111, 1000, 1001, 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110, 1111. We have done the subscribe and drop a like.